Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on two-step verification on Margex. Enabling two-step verification on Margex is a vital step to enhance your account's security. In order to do that, first of all, open the Margex app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Upon logging into your account, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Google Authentication under Security. In order to turn on two-factor authentication, you'll need to download Google Authenticator app. Tap on the Download Google Authenticator button and follow through the instruction to install Google Authenticator first, and once you are done with the installation, tap on Continue. You will then be able to see a code created on the next page. Tap the two overlapping square button right next to the created code and then go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator app. After you do that, tap on the plus button at the bottom right hand corner and then click on Enter a setup key in the pop-up. Enter the key or paste it down inside your key tab and give a name for your account as well. Since I'm turning on two-factor authentication for Margex, let me type in Margex in the text box as well to identify the verification code. After you are done, click on the Add button and you will be able to create Margex authentication code. Now get back to the Margex app and tap on this I backed up the secret key and click Continue. Enter the code displayed on your Google Authenticator app for Margex. Open up your Google Authenticator app again and then tap on the code generated right under your Margex account. Get back to the Margex app and then paste it inside the text box. Click on Confirm and you will be able to turn on two-factor authentication on Margex. And that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.